When we see sci-fi films or TV shows where the goal is to colonize another planet, the fictional spaceships are often filled with hundreds, if not thousands of people, either awake or in some form of stasis. But how many people would we actually need to colonize our red rocky neighbor, Mars, to create a self-sustaining colony? The answer is a lot lower than you might imagine, at least in theory. A recent study by a team of researchers at George Mason University has concluded that the first group of pioneers to travel to the Red Planet would only need to have 22 people in order for life to persist. This is exactly a fifth of the number suggested by Professor Jean-Marc Salotti in his 2020 model. Salotti's model was focused on the minimum number of individuals and their capacity to produce essentials for survival on Mars, such as food, shelter, computers, and robots. Whereas the new model, submitted by a team led by Professor Ana Maria Barea, was focused more on psychological and behavioral challenges that the space colonizers may face. The crux of their argument is for a lower number of people. Their research suggests that a group comprised of agreeable personality types was key to the colony as a whole surviving. To create their model, they looked at similar-sized teams in high-stress environments, including submarine crews, Arctic exploration groups, soldiers isolated in combat, and of course, astronauts on board the International Space Station. With manned missions to Mars edging ever closer to reality, limiting the number of people who need to travel in order to sustain a colony would make it cheaper and less resource-intensive than previously thought. But would sending the minimum number of people be wise in the face of interplanetary space travel? In fact, would it be wise to colonize the Red Planet at all? To learn more about colonizing Mars, head on over to spacetv.net for all the latest news. For Space TV News, I'm Mia Bell Parkinson.